back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, I've seen in the comments a few of you have been posting that you're looking for things that don't require any experience, that are also non-phone. I know sometimes those job leads are very hard to come by. A lot of companies are just hiring the customer service type jobs that require no experience, but today I have a non-phone position that requires absolutely no experience, so I thought that I would share. Of course, the links to all of the pages that I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video, and please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share, and if I find anything I know someone is looking for, I do share it. Don't forget to share with all your friends and family, and give this video a thumbs up like button if you do enjoy it. But moving right on along, the company is Nativious Health Solutions. They have 182 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a Recoveries Coordinator. This is remote for the United States. Please be aware it says they are unable to offer remote work to residents of a few states. Those states are Alaska, Hawaii, Maine, Mississippi, New Hampshire, New Mexico, North Dakota, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, West Virginia, and Wyoming. But if you live in any other state, they are looking for you. Now, Nativious was founded as an alternative to traditional pharmacy benefits. They're committed to removing the cost from the drug supply chain, making medications more affordable for people who need them. They are basically looking for somebody to process pharmacy benefit claims. They are paying anywhere from $19.84 an hour all the way up to $25.04 an hour. But again, they're looking for somebody to be responsible for processing claims, all levels of complexity in the claims adjudication process. You're going to gain a beginning understanding, applying and communicating client-specific benefits to manage the day-to-day processes and changes in a client's benefits pharmacy's contract. You're going to be responsible for successfully processing claims for specific client performance guaranteed timeframes, guarding client high dollar financial liabilities. You're going to collaborate to ensure that all appropriate information is received to process the request. You'll create, validate, and confirm large batches of claims prior to the electronic processing, learning and abiding by any regulatory requirements. So this is going to be state, federal, local laws. You'll participate in meetings as needed. Now, as far as what they're looking for, this is going to be a complete entry-level position. You do have to have a high school diploma or GED. If you have a PBM or managed care experience, that is preferred. It might get you to the top of the line for an interview, but it says that that is not required. You just need to be willing to participate and adhere to program objectives and have the ability to consistently interact cooperatively with other internal employees that you may be working with. So that is it. The actual requirements are high school diploma, willingness to work as a team with other coworkers, and participate in the compliance program. They are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, you can always leave down below anything specific that you're looking for. If you enjoyed this job lead, please give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.